hey, wait, oh my God, what happened? What happened? You know this, everyone? You know this, what happened?
Tôi không quay cậu được.
You can't move your neck, wow. No need to crack your neck.
Wait 1 second.
Now she can't move the neck. No, what we have to do? Back side. So she has a pain. What we have to do? Only this. Come here. Only this. 3 to 5 minutes, all area of the neck. So keep moving this. So when you move this, so what happens? The muscles are here of the neck start active, little bit, but it's painful. Pain? Yes.
Yeah.
Come. Yes. So a little bit painful, but I am telling you, it will help you after 5 minutes. Yes, she paining, still paining. Now the two stretching, simple. We don't have to touch here, just we have to move the shoulder of here, and nice, 5 to 6 times. Nice, again, very good. Oh, it's very simply, okay. So now slowly, now I am going to pull her neck, but be careful on this, only. Nice, good, slowly. So when you keep moving the muscles, so it can stretch. Wow. Yes, slowly. Nice, and roll. So this is a very simple practice. You have to follow this, and after then you have to give oil massage, okay. Which oil I will tell you on the description. So please, okay. So move your neck now, choose you. Slowly. Nice, right, left. Yeah, good. Okay, Jia?
Okay.
So you feel better.
Thank you.